This is a tutorial for a smoky eye look that is perfect to wear from a day-to-day basis or even just out for the night. The combination of eyeliner and the smoky eye look brightens the eyes and makes them appear wider.
Hey guys, it's Strangeandshort here, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on a summer smoky eye eyeshadow. The techniques I use today can be applied to your everyday eyeshadow routine. It's just a very summery, bright eyeshadow that you can wear from day to day, and you can make it look more bold and dramatic at night for when you go out or for big parties like that. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. Ooh! It's kind of a corally gold color. Today I'm just going to be using what I like to use in the summer and things that go well with a variety of outfits so that you can just wear it from day to day and you don't have to worry about it or put that much effort into it. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be using 3 colors today, and you kind of want to make them in a same or similar family, or maybe something that you can blend a little bit more easily. These are the colors I'm using today. So as you can see, it's a very light gold, and it transitions into a darker gold. And then this isn't really a gold, it's more of, I guess you could call it a rose gold, more of a rosy, darker color because we are going for a smoky eye. So these are the colors next to each other and then spread apart. So you can kind of see what we're going for. So to begin with, you want to start on the inner corners of your eye, and no matter what color you use, you're going to use your lightest color for the inner corners of your eye. So this is the color I'm using first. It's a golden lighter color, so we're going to get that on my brush and then just start and move out. And you can move out till about midway. You want the most of it on the inner corner of your eye here. And if you take it about halfway or a little further, that's just fine too, because remember, we're going to be blending it to give it that transitional colored look. Next, I'm going to be taking this color. It's more of a gold color. And I'm going to be applying that to the middle of my eye, as it's more of a base. The inner corner of your eye accentuates your eye and makes it look bigger and brighter because it is a bright color. When you use lighter colors on the inner corners of your eye, it helps brighten your eyes and make your eyes look wider and bigger, which is definitely something I look for when I do my makeup. So we're going to use our next color, our second color, on the middle part of the eye. And you can go high a little bit. I usually take the color to like that crease in my eyelid. And you can go farther out because, again, we're going to blend it. So this is what we got. So you can see that's blended pretty well. And next we're going to go on what I would call the smoky part of the eye, I guess. It's the darker part that's going to accentuate your eye. And I want you to notice the technique I use, because you're going to use it on the outer corner of your eye. And I don't make it a solid line because I want it to be a transitional stage for the smoky eye. I don't want it to look color blocked. I want it to be very well blended but still bold. You're going to take your darkest color, and this is my darkest color. It's that rosy color that I showed you guys, and watch the technique that I use. You want it blended but not color blocked, if that makes sense. You don't want the colors side by side like I did to show you guys. That's not how I'm doing the eyeshadow. I'm doing a blending technique so that it doesn't look obvious, and it's just a transition of colors that really makes your eyes pop, and it's very fun, attractive, and flirty. I take my brush and I get my color on it, and I apply the color to the outside of my eye. And see how I went a little bit further than where my eye actually ends? But notice how I'm just going on the bottom right now. And then we're going to follow up that line on the bottom on the top like a triangle. See that? And then you can take it over farther, but you want to start at the corners because that's where you're going to have the most pigment on your brush. So start at the corners. And I make it meet a little bit and bring the shadow out to my eye and up again into kind of where that crease is for your eyelid. So see that? Instead of doing a line and then shifting it all over, I put it at an angle like that. So, and I'm just going to do a little bit of a touch up. Not too much. So for a bolder, more dramatic look, for nighttime or special events, what you're going to want to do is you're going to shift it over a little more. Add a little bit more of that dark color. I'm not going to do it because I didn't do it for this eye, but what you would do is you would just take it over more and then add some more in through here. See where I don't have any color right there? Just add just the teeniest a bit more and just shift it over a little bit. Make that color wider, and that will make it a more dramatic evening look for when you're going out. But don't worry, because I'm going to be making a video for smoky eye look for special events as well as for nighttime and partying and things like that. Finally, all we have to do is eyeliner and mascara, and then you guys can see the overall look.
For my eyeliner, I will be using 2 different gel eyeliners from Urban Decay's 24/7 collection. The brown eyeliner is called Bourbon, and the black eyeliner is called Zero. For mascara, I am using Maybelline Mega Plush Volume in black.
Okay, so that concludes my tutorial for the smoky summer eye. Again, you can use this technique for any 3 other colors that you want to use. Just have fun and play with it, because if you can't have a little bit of fun with makeup, it's going to get boring real quick. So just play with your colors, see what works, see what doesn't. Sometimes you'd be surprised to find what works and what doesn't. So just play around and throw stuff out there. That concludes today's tutorial. I hope it was really helpful. This is Sarah Strangeandshort, and I hope you guys have a great day.